Hi guys, I was gifted this welding cord from the seller so I could show you all its cool features. This is a premium quality 150 amp replacement MIG gun torch. It's 15-foot long cable, fully compatible with Lincoln Magnum 100L. A sleek lightweight gun that works perfectly for most small tasks around the home, farm, shop, and light auto body jobs. It does featuring a seamless one-piece construction. It boosts outstanding resistance to high temperatures and spatter, effectively extending its service life. The lightweight and perfectly balanced curved handle enhances grip comfort and reduces fatigue. The gun tube comes with an electrically insulated metal sleeve, which enhances the performance of the wire welding. Its cable is fitted with a robust, abrasion-resistant, extruded rubber sleeve, increasing its service life. If you guys need a replacement welding cord for your welder, go ahead and get this one. It will work great for you. Thanks.